Welcome. In this training video we are going to demonstrate the audio test messages available on the EA60 amplifier. We have a 1 watt speaker connected to the amplifier to hear the sounds. Let's navigate to the audio test menu, which is under the main menu. First up, let's listen to the fire alarm test message. Use this message to announce that a fire alarm test is about to commence. Press the select button to play the message.
May I have your attention, please? We will be testing the fire alarm system. Please disregard all visual and audible alarms and do not evacuate the building.
Next, let's listen to the test done message. Use this message to announce that the fire alarm test is complete.
May I have your attention, please? The fire alarm test is now complete. Please respond to future fire alarms.
Next is the speaker walk test. The EA60 amplifier will generate a 554 Hz tone for a duration of 0.5 seconds, once every 10 seconds. We can press the select button to end the test. Next is the false alarm message. Use this message to announce that there is a false alarm.
May I have your attention, please? There has been a false alarm. Please disregard all visual and audible alarms and do not evacuate the building.
Next is the calibration tone. A 1 kHz sine wave calibration tone can be played in 5 different ways. Let's play the first one, which is a 30-second one-shot. Next is the amplifier load test. This will play a 1 kHz tone through all the speakers attached to the amplifier. Press the select button to run the test. You can see from the results that we have used 6% and have 56 watts remaining. You can press the select button to repeat the test. Last is the play library. This library stores all the standard and custom sequences. Let's play the first 3 sequences: EA1, EA2 and EA3.
Emergency. Evacuate now. Emergency. Evacuate now.
Thank you for viewing this video on the audio test messages available. Feel free to view other videos on the EA60 amplifier.